Okay, so this is a follow-up video to the original video I did on the SkyStars X120 about a week ago, I think, and I couldn't really demonstrate the flight characteristics of this little micro here because of the camera issue, and you guys can watch that video if you guys want to see what that camera issue is all about. Basically, I think a lens element might have been damaged somehow. Was getting a lot of jello and shaking, and so I went ahead and I swapped the camera out. I put a Caddx Turbo Micro F1 in here. And this is the 4.3 version. I still have that same issue with the camera angle. I can't really get that much camera angle because of the connector butting up against the flight controller. So that's about the most I can get. So you're not going to see a lot of super speed where I could tilt it over about 85 degrees. You're going to get about a 40-degree tilt, and so you're not going to really see the super fast speed of this, but you get an idea of what the performance is like now that I got a working camera on here. So went ahead and did another flight demo, and I'll go ahead and show you that right now. Yeah, it looks like the shaking is gone, so it confirms what I suspected. I think it was a camera lens problem. And now that I have a better camera on here, we can see we have some video noise. I don't remember seeing that in the video feed before, but I think I was too distracted by the jello. I haven't made any changes otherwise, no PID changes, any change to props or anything. Everything's exactly the same, just changed the camera. Yeah, definitely video noise here. Let's do a full speed punch out here. So I think now that I have a working camera on here, I can see that it does need a bit of tuning. The out of box tune is a little loose. It needs a little bit more anti-gravity. It's a little bit of prop wash. It's not that bad though. It just feels a little bit loose. Could use a little bit more P gain, a little more D gain. There we go. That's how you get the prop wash to come out. You just go hard right into your prop wash, right there like that. And this is about the maximum camera angle I can get on this camera because of the way the connector is, and if I angled it up any more, I would be butting it up against the flight stack, which I don't really want to do. I suppose I could flip the camera upside down, but I'm not sure if this camera has that capability of flipping the image upside down, where you can move the connector to the bottom. So if you want more camera angle, you might want to go with a different camera that can flip the image. Something like the Foxeer Micro Predator, I believe that can flip the image, or the well, something like the Micro Monster can do that as well. Or the Micro Sparrow could do that. Now I'm using the same 4S 550 milliamp hour LiPo. I think with the limited camera angle here, it does seem like it looks a little bit slower than before. And again, just running the stock tune, stock PIDs. Pretty good flight time though. I'm running about 3 minutes right now. 14.6 volts. Now that I'm getting kind of used to the way this is flying, pretty easy to do maneuvers, hit gaps. Does seem pretty stable, even though it does feel a little bit loose, but you know, that just takes a little bit of getting used to. A lot of it has to do with the piloting. Okay, so I'm about 4.5 minutes. Pretty good demo here so far. 14 volts put in the demo here. So yeah, definitely was the camera. I think that if you guys swap the camera out, or if you have a good camera, I think this is a pretty decent model. Although of course it is only running 4S. We'll have to swap out some batteries.